Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So I'm discuss about in this new year. So everyone know about that Google AdWords. So in this Google AdWords, how to set up the goals and how to create the Google AdWords ads. So how is the set up the perfect optimization? So first of all, we can go to option is called google.com/adwords. This will be login process or ads.google.com. To URL we can log in for Google AdWords account. Click for sign in. In this, compulsory each Google account we can creating for number of accounts will be there in Google AdWords account. What is the purpose of creating number of accounts? For the country, we can optimize for the we can creating for number of accounts. Each Google account we can creating for number of accounts. Each account will be one specific ID is there. So if you want creating for more IDs, the simple the option will be called here option will be create a new account. In this one, first of all, any kind of first of all main important is called billing process. The billing process is a more important to will be optimized running for the Google ads. This is a complete for billing summary. Now in this Google AdWords, how will we start the campaign? So in this I'm discuss with goal. So first of all we can go for here. So this is some error will be nothing but it's not a big error. So I'm not using Google account for this my particular Gmail. So they're showing for reactivate. Here the certain goals. The goals are sales. Sales will be supporting campaign, search, display, shopping, video, smart and discovery. Leads, smart, display, shopping, video, smart and discovery. Website traffic, search, display, shopping, video and discovery. So here product and brand consideration they will support only for display and video. Brand awareness and reach will be supporting for display and video. Display nothing but which is website will be approved by the Google AdSense. The website will be showing for our ads. So like that all will be nothing but display ads. So I'll show you one example. This is called display ad. So this will be display ads. All belongs to for Google AdWords. App promotion. So how we can promoting for Android and iOS app to the app install and app engagement purpose. This will be most of the app install and app engagement purpose. And local store visit. Drive customers to physical location. And your final campaigns. Search, display, shopping, video, and app. Recently, they come into the smart, local, and discovery. Smart campaign in a previous is called Google AdWords Express. So, first of all, goal is here is the only five goals are there. There is a sale, lead generation, website traffic, product and brand consideration, awareness and reach. But search, display, shopping, video, smart, the supporting will be three options. Sale purpose, lead generation purpose, website traffic purpose. So which is we have to go for the particular option. So my campaign I'm creating for to generating for website traffic. In a website traffic, they're showing a campaign, search, display, shopping, video, discovery. This also supporting for Gmail and Discover and more. Here will supporting ad will be get clicks to your website from customers must like to make a purchase with the visible rich personalized ads that show across YouTube, Gmail, Discover and more option. This will be search. They're showing on the when coming to the Google, we can give by US display marketing. The certain ads that all will be search ads. Now previous I'm showing for that is the display ads. So I'll show that one here. Shopping is nothing but we have to sale purpose. When people will be click for Samsung, the certain ad all will be coming to shopping campaigns. This is a campaign nothing but shopping is a video. Video nothing but drive conversion, where people will watch the video. The traffic will be converted to where your particular website. So previous any campaign will be create. Now we can generating website traffic from YouTube video or display or search or discovery. So we can try for new one. Website traffic we can try for discovery ad. Select it. Click for continue. So I'm generating my website traffic by using discovery campaign. So I can write in my campaign name to people who can understand purpose. In this Google AdWords campaign, they will show display will be difference. That will be here. First of all, my goal is website traffic. Your goal is set. Second one, first you can create a campaign. After we can creating ad group. After we can creating for ads. First in the campaign structure, we can select the first option location. I'm target by local audience. Second thing is target language. Here target for multiple languages or one language or all languages. Here one more doubt is there. Sorry, I'm adding the only one place. Can I add the one more place? We can add n number of places. No need to worry about that. Add n number of places. To target particular states, particular countries, particular religion will be targeted by in this location option. Next one, budget. This will be conversion purpose. So conversion nothing but target CPA. CPA nothing but cost per acquisition and action. So here I'm give the budget will be called in this here. Typically target CPA for discovery campaign is 750. We can play for here 750. When I apply for 750, a bid will be started here. Next one, we can start by the budget. Per day, how much budget we can start it? I'm give the per day will be 1000. Finally, the show will be campaign here in this option. So I'll show you in this. First of all, let me finish this option. So first I'm selecting one, our places, next language, next our bidding price. So here worry about that. What is bidding price? Bidding price nothing but to website conversion. Any people will be watch your website when click. That is the conversion rate will be charge your particular amount. When daily budget of 1000, your target save is 750. In the budget of the amount will be directed in the particular website traffic purpose. When scroll down, next what we can start the ad group. So here I'm start the ad group. Here, first of all, you can start the target audience. Here we can target the particular audience or any target we can add it. So as you wish, you can target any audience will be here. So this is the option. But I'm not targeting any particular audience. I'm targeted by each and every one. Demographic here. You can selecting for particular age people. So this will be up to we can go for 44. This everything will be done. No worry about that. Next, here ad will be create. Create ad now. Skip this and step the create one later. You can campaign won't run without any ad. So if we not create this ad, the ad will be not run. So no use. Select here discovery ad is a cursor and nothing but we can promoting for number of images. Discover ad, copy existing ad. Go for discovery ad. In this, what are the option will be there? Final URL. What is the final URL? You can give to the website or anything. So yeah, I show this kind of ads where you can visible. This most of the ads will be shown to the customers by mobile users here. It will be desktop users. I'll show the how you can generating traffic. I'll show the particular ad example also. Here headline will be can up to write for up to 5 headline and 5 description. So one is accept or not. Your question is there. One also will be accept. But each headline we can write up to 40 characters. So my right now I'm adding for characters will be here. So yeah, I'm writing for this option. Here you can adding for title will be done everything. So after that we can add your images. image will be upload. So this image will be need based on your options. So we can add it here. So which image is suitable? Add by here. Here we can see particular ads and desktop. Every ad will be here and click, they go to the particular website. So you can add it here. So yes. So every image accept is more important for the users. You can show your particular ads in this purpose. Business name. Don't forget the writing a business name. Here we'll just YouTube. We can check anything will be missing here. You can check here. Here is the YouTube option. Next will be all properties. Most of the they're showing for discovery will be into the mobile version is most will be famous. Here is the they're showing for empty. You can go for they can showing for Gmail and they're showing for discover. Most of the properties they're working on for mobile version. You can see here. You can check for in your particular options are in this. So here all properties, YouTube, and you can go for Gmail and you can go for discovery ads. This all will be most of the suitable way into the mobile version. So discovery ads, total of three properties. YouTube will be mobile, Gmail will be mobile and desktop, and discovery will be only for mobile version. Finally, add to your group. So you have one doubt is there. So how many ad we can create? Based on the keyword, we can add the n number of keywords. There is a n number of ads. So different images, and what are the image they can give the circle compulsory you have to fulfill that all images on the particular platform. So there is a major important in the particular here. So here, every image will be compulsory fulfilled and headline will be writing for 5, description will be 5, but I'm writing only for 2. So any mistake for if you're not writing for 5 option, no worry about that the particular 5 option. But discover ad most of the affected will be even by the into the particular mobile device they're showing for particular ad. So discovery is more preference by the mobile audience. Coming to the three properties, YouTube is mobile and discovery is a mobile, Gmail will be mobile and desktop. Don't forget is an interview question also. Finally, apply to changes. Finally, create a campaign. They give the complete structure of the what we can select it. They give the final output. Date, I'm not give any end date for campaign. Location Hyderabad, language English, campaign budget daily 1000. The my goal is called website traffic. What is my goal? To generating website traffic. And here target CPA. CPA nothing but cost per action and acquisition. And finally continue to campaign. So this is a campaign will be create by using goal of discovery. But discover ad will be showing for three platform YouTube and Gmail and Discovery. But most of the ads will be showing for mobile users. YouTube will be mobile, Gmail will be mobile and desktop, and Discover will be only for mobile users. When open will be mobile any phones on the particular users on YouTube. In between the video, they're showing for text with like link. This organic one. If you go for paid one, they're showing will be ad type. So these all will be important on the particular campaign to run with the goals. Goals don't forget sale, lead generation, website traffic, shopping, and a particular campaign will be selected by in a particular campaigns. Brand awareness and reach and brand consideration and awareness. So these all campaigns are very important with the goals to reach your audience with the different campaigns. So that is the you can select the goal and create a campaign generating for leads and sales, website traffic, brand awareness and reach, and brand product consideration. So this is the way we can create the campaign on using Google AdWords. So guys, anyone we have doubt about Google AdWords campaign, you can ping me always comment. I definitely will be support how we can creating for step by step Google AdWords campaign. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.